just came back from doing a morning live show with TV2, which is with ZNBC, and I woke up at 4, didn't have my coffee, and now I'm gonna go grab some coffee. So I met somebody that just saw me on TV. That was sweet, and she stopped me and we had a conversation, and now I'm going in search of coffee. So I'm at East Park Mall in Lusaka. I just came back from doing a live TV show, and I met this lovely lady here by the name of
Mary.
Okay, so
Yes.
Apparently you saw me on TV. What did you see?
I saw her on TV. She was being interviewed. She's a great entrepreneur. She's Bridget. She's got a lot of. She normally deals with real estate.
That's
yes,
right.
Both in USA and Zambia. And I've just met her. I was watching her today in the morning, just after preparing for work, and I'm so excited to see her this back home.
Goodness, and you actually did listen because you mentioned everything I do. So are you into entrepreneurship yourself? Do you do any little business on the side? We can promote it, or do you want to start? What do you do, Mary?
So I want to start to be an entrepreneurship.
Okay.
Yes, that deals with potatoes farming.
Perfect.
Yes, so we had done potatoes in Chikankata, and we are yet to start doing fishing farming.
That's amazing, because I talked about that. I grew up in the village, so I'm a village girl. I love the village. Everything I know, I knew from my grandparents.
Wow.
So growing potatoes is a big one. We used to grow potatoes.
Wow.
So it's a matter of finding a good market, right?
Yes.
So that when you sell, you get the proceeds. So I encourage you, and if you ever need a shout out to promote any of your businesses, just reach out to me on YouTube, and I'll be glad to promote your business. So I wish you all the best, and thank you so much for saying hi.
Oh, thank you. I'm so excited.
Oh my goodness.
Yes,
All right.
yes.
So you take care. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Very early in the morning, hardly anybody here, and this is what it looks like. Park Mall in Lusaka. iPhone store here. I'm gonna go in here and get myself some coffee. Oh, Fenty Beauty. I'm at a place called Meraki, East Park Mall, and this is how gorgeous it looks. Sit down and have some breakfast. Let's look at the menu. This is the menu. I think I'm going to go for this omelette. So I'm hungry. So this is what it looks like. It's a lovely place. Let's eat. cup of coffee with lactose-free milk because I'm lactose intolerant. And yeah, let's enjoy. So the ambience in this restaurant is really good. Beautiful soft music playing. I woke up really early at 4 a.m. Didn't get my coffee, so it feels good to have a lovely cup of Americano. Yeah, it was an interesting experience doing a live show. I haven't done one in a while. Talked about entrepreneurship in Zambia and in the US. A topic I love talking about. So it's time to have some breakfast. This is my breakfast. Bite. Just have the first bite.